What's up, you guys? Welcome back to StudyNest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a catcher game like this. I can keep on playing like this forever, but I want to teach you how you can make this game. It's really simple and very fun. So, the sprites needed are a catcher with which we are going to catch stuff, and then the stuff which you're going to catch. I made a chocolate cupcake, blueberry cupcake, strawberry cupcake, mango cupcake, and an orange cupcake. So let's get with the coding. So first let's code the catcher. So I'm gonna say when flag clicked, what we want it to do is go to a certain position. So I'm gonna say go to x0 and y, let's see, y minus 150. Let's see how's that gonna be. Perfect. Now let's make it move. So I'm gonna get a forever block, and if then block, we are gonna get a sensing, and we're gonna get if key right arrow pressed. Then to make it really smooth, we can say change x by 10. Now let's make the same thing for the left arrow, and we're going to change it to minus 10. So let's see how that works. Whee! That's awesome. So now let's code the cupcake. So first, we'll make a variable called score. So this score, I'll make it visible. Nice. So for the cupcake, we'll say when flag clicked, we'll set score to 0. I'll just delete this my variable. Nice. Okay. Next, we are gonna say go to random position. Now, the x should be random, but the y should be a certain number. So we can say change. We can say set y to 180 because that's the top of the y position. Okay. Next, we will make it go down. So for that, we'll say forever. We'll get a forever loop and say change y by minus 5. This will make it fall down. So as you can see, it's falling down nice and well. But then it's getting stuck here. So what do we do? So for that, we'll say if our y position is equal to, let's see, we can make it minus 170, then we have to do the same thing, go to random position and change y by 180. So let's see how that goes. Okay, see, it's going back. Very nice, it's going back. So you can see that it's going back. Nice. Okay, next we'll say if it's touching this catcher, then we want it to again do the same thing. So we'll say if touching catcher, then we'll again get this, but we'll also add a sound. I'll add the collect sound. You can add any sound you like. I'm gonna say start sound collect, and then we'll also change the score by 1. So let's see. Yay! But this time I'm gonna make it change score by 100, so it's gonna be easier. Okay, now let's copy this code to all of these cupcakes. And the last one. Perfect. Now let's see how it goes. Okay, this is too fast. Everyone is like coming at the same time, so it's like very hard for the catcher to do. So let's make it a little easier for that guy. So we'll say as soon as it starts, we'll make it hide. Then we'll make it wait for a certain amount of time. Let's say I'm gonna make chocolate cupcake, wait for 1 second, then blueberry, make it 1.5, then 2, then 2.5, and then 3. So that's gonna be like 0.5 difference. And after it's done waiting, we can make it show. Now the reason why we're hiding and showing it is because, it's going to be stuck at the top. Like if we make it wait, so you can see it's stuck there and then it comes. But that doesn't look very nice. So that's why we'll make it wait a second and then see, it's like coming from heaven. So let's do that for all of them. So, and done. Now let's see how it goes. See, now it's happening slower and it's easy for the catcher to do it. So that was our catching game that I wanted to show you. So play this game and have loads of fun.